Nepal, a country of diverse cultures and religions, is geographically rich, holding 2% of the world's biodiversity within its landscape of more than 0.01% of the world's land area. There are more than 2,000 plant species in Nepal containing active medicinal and aromatic ingredients. However, only 7 to 10% are currently converted and traded. Every year, in Nepal's Himalaya highlands, collectors from the nearby villages gather some 50,000 metric tons of aromatic and medicinal herbs, most of which are distilled into essential oils. These collectors primarily sell their goods to herb traders, who, out of greed, encourage them to harvest as much as possible, which destroys the plantations. At the same time, villagers are paid poorly for their products. Once a plant supply is depleted, the traders simply move on, leaving the villagers deprived of their only income generation source. Considering the rapid global growth of biotrade products, these commodities harbor enormous potential for one of the poorest regions in the world. As part of GIZ's Capacity Building for Biotrade (CBBT), GIZ had supported essential oil companies of Nepal through capacity building and training on several modules in 2010. The main objective of the training was to ensure the sustainable cultivation of the medicinal and aromatic plants through teaching and demonstrating to participants how to harvest the plants without depleting the whole species. Additionally, the training brought together local collectors and distillers and facilitated open dialogue among them so that they can work together and successfully bring these culturally rich products of Nepal to international market. Medical and aromatic plants have been explored in the Himalaya region since the Vedic period in 500 BC and compiled in different Ayurvedic texts. For Nepal, 7th century guidebook Sausastra Nigantu bears the oldest description of this cultural heritage. Since then, the manufacturing process of essential oils has stayed more or less the same, preserving centuries-old knowledge.
यसमा राखेर यो अनि यसमा आगो लगाएर राख्ने आगो लगाएर यसको आधी आधा भाग तातिसकेपछि बन्द गरेर घर जाने भोलि बिहान 3 बजे उठेर 3 बजे 4 बजे उठेर आएर आगो लगाउनुहुन्छ भाइहरूले लगाइसकेपछि अनि करिबन 7-8 बजेबाट तेल ऋषि गर्न झर्न थाल्छ तबमा ढकनमा गयो ढकनबाट कन्डेन्सरमा गयो कन्डेन्सरबाट त्यो पानी र भाप त सँगै हुन्छ अनि कन्डेन्सरबाट फिल्टर भएर पानीले त्यसलाई चिसो बनाएर तल झार्यो पानी चाहिँ आफू तातो यसले त्यसको भापले तातो भएर आफू चाहिँ बाहिर जान्छ.
With a growth rate of 280%, biological products underwent an enormous economic boom in the last decade. Organic essential oils are high-value and low-volume commodities. This makes them attractive crops to grow and process for smallholder farmers and remote communities, where transport facilities prevent them from marketing high-volume cash crops. Essential oils became one of the most important commodities exported from Nepal that can create a local level opportunity and, as a value-added product, contribute to poverty reduction of the country. After 3 levels of training on sustainable harvesting, quality processing and trade fair participation, this GIZ CBBT project, together with Trade and Export Promotion Center of Nepal, supported 4 selected companies to participate in the biggest trade fair on organic products in the world, the Biofach 2011, held in Nuremberg. 172 meetings were held with biotrade companies from all over the world, which made this fair a great success for Nepal. GIZ laid the foundation by developing a group marketing strategy consisting of a joint label, joint brochure, and a video documentary. This clip is part of that video documentary, giving a short impression of this highly potential sector.